What you are looking at is a rushing river. You can build a dam to store its water, but you can never pause or hoard the time it takes the water to flow past. Time moves constantly in one direction. Contrast that relentless forward momentum with how you probably feel right now, staring at a chaotic list of tasks, overwhelmed by deadlines, and trying to freeze the clock to catch up. To regain control, you need exactly three things: a blank spreadsheet, a digital calendar, and an honest assessment of your daily energy levels. Effective time management does not mean working harder or faster. It means building a personalized dashboard that dictates exactly how and when your work gets executed, allowing you to reach your maximum potential without burning out. Step 1 is identifying your peak productivity windows. Before you assign a single task to a time slot, you have to know when your brain is actually equipped to handle it. Take a look at this profile card for Nassim, a project manager. We see his peak energy hits at 10 a.m., and he prefers 2 hours of solo work in the afternoon. Knowing this baseline dictates his entire schedule. Now that you know your energy baseline, open that blank spreadsheet for the listing phase. Your job right now is to conduct a rapid, exhaustive brain dump of every pending task, project, and overdue email into a single column. Do not attempt to format, color code, or organize this list while you type. That is a guaranteed way to stall your progress. Just get every thought out of your head and onto the screen. Extracting all those chaotic obligations into one unformatted location immediately relieves your mental pressure. More importantly, it gives you the raw data required to build a functioning system. With your raw data collected, we move to triage using the Eisenhower matrix. It is a decision-making tool separating tasks by actual urgency and importance, rather than how stressful they feel in the moment. Here we see a clean 2x2 grid representing that matrix. It forces every item into 4 specific buckets: do it now, schedule it, delegate it, and eliminate it. Move each spreadsheet item into its proper quadrant based on urgency. Pay close attention to the bottom right quadrant. Identifying tasks that belong in the eliminate bucket, the busy work that drains your time with zero return, yields immediate psychological relief. By forcing your list through these categories, you expose a critical reality. Not all work is equal. You protect your high-value energy from being consumed by low-value distractions. Step 3 is opening your digital calendar. Before adding any work, immediately block out your non-negotiable personal events. Enter your lunch breaks, your commute, and your fixed meetings. The core rule of calendar blocking is matching the complexity of your remaining tasks to the energy levels you identified earlier. Your do-it-now items require your sharpest focus. This split-screen layout shows exactly how to execute this. Watch as a high-priority task drags over specifically into the 10 a.m. block, the user's confirmed peak energy window. For any task sitting in the delegated quadrant, notify the responsible colleague immediately. Giving them maximum lead time ensures work gets done without creating a bottleneck. Notice these empty white spaces between tasks. This is the buffer zone, intentionally leaving 10% of your calendar blank for emergencies. Every project operates under strict constraints of quality, cost, and time. Delays will happen. When a meeting runs long or a true emergency arises, these blank buffer spaces act as shock absorbers. Scheduling every single minute of your day creates a fragile, brittle system, doomed to fail at the first interruption. A calendar built with dedicated buffer zones absorbs daily chaos effortlessly. Think back to the anxiety of that chaotic task list. Now, you are looking at a highly structured, visually balanced, and, most importantly, realistic weekly schedule. To keep it running, you must adopt the test and learn maintenance loop. This means planning your broad structure once a week, but making micro-adjustments daily as reality sets in. Start running a stopwatch on your repetitive tasks. If generating a report takes 90 minutes instead of the 60 you estimated, you learn from that data and expand that specific calendar block for the following week. You have successfully built a personalized time management dashboard that bends to your energy, not the other way around. Your system is ready. Close this video, look at your calendar, and execute your first blocked task right now.